So let's unbox it and see. I'm gonna cut the little plastic thing in here so I can open it. Here we go, we're opening it up here, and we have the owner's manual right here. Wireless microphone, tells you how to use it. Got a USB-C cable, 2 clips for each mic right here, 2 clips. We have the part that transmits and receives, I guess. Well, receiver. And then we have the 2 microphones here. And they look exactly like the ones that are being advertised by everybody. Let's pull this off. This one. We'll pull it off this other one. And so they look almost exactly the same as the ones that are selling for more. So I'm not sure if it is the same one or not.